So we're about to leave, but that happened. What do you think? Tray flip right here. I'll suck your. Bruh.
Like just like this?
Just like that, right there.
What about if I hit
Just nope.
It's ugly though.
Hey, where you going? I guess you don't want head.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What the f did you just do?
My bad, bro.
You took up my super cool tent.
I'm gonna put it back on.
Yeah, put it back.
Got you.
Thanks, bro.
Got you.
Wait, can you do this one too?
Yeah.
Yo, sick.
I'm
How much you charge?
like $100 a minute.
How much?
$100 a minute.
A minute?
Yeah, it looks way better.
Way better. Look at these guys pushing me again. We just ate in and out. Let's go. Let's go. Mm-hmm.